Alright guys, so welcome back everybody. This is CryptoPhil and let's talk about how I'm finding some money to buy some tokens, altcoins, crypto, bitcoins, and invest in different projects. Now, everybody's saying, oh, I'm buying Bitcoin or I'm buying Ethereum. Oh, the market is down, let's buy more tokens. But the question is where you can find money to buy some tokens. You don't want to spend your paycheck money. You don't want to go to the bank and ask for money. So we need to find a different way to make some money so we can buy some tokens. Now, thank you everybody for watching. This is CryptoPhil. And if you never watched some of my donation video, what I'm doing and helping the poor people in India, Philippines, and Africa, please go and watch. I just posted one yesterday, how we're helping the poor people in the India. And I think it's something what everybody needs to do in your life. Okay, go and watch the video from yesterday. It's mean a lot for me. Okay, before we go on, please don't forget, just a little disclaimer, everything what I'm saying this video is only my personal opinion. What's mean, do not put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto, you can lose easy everything, and I'm not financial advisor. Do your own research and do not put more money you can afford to lose. Okay, so let's do the real talk. Now, I'm in crypto for the last, let's say, since 2018, okay? I got in crypto, I bought a lot, I was buying some tokens, I was spending my crypto paycheck. Then, I come to this crazy, amazing, risky DeFi space, okay? So what I'm doing is, and what I learned how to do is, go into different projects, make some passive income, okay? Get that income, spread the income what you have. Let's say you make $100 this week or or today. I don't know how much you're investing, and then take a portion of them, put into altcoins, take a portion, go back into the crypto space, and take some portion for your pocket. Now, I did not took any money for my pocket for almost a year and a half, maybe 2 years, maybe even more. Okay, I was just investing, then I was trying to compound, but compounding for me is getting from one project to another and build up. Now, the question is, hey Phil, what projects I need to get in so I can make some money? So this is my way to make extra money. Now, there are so many risky projects there. That's why I'm very careful in the last couple of months what project I'm getting into. Of course, every project have their own risk. Some of them are more risky and some of them are less risky. What's mean less risky? Mean that we working with the developers who we worked before. Maybe they had some different project. Let's say I'm going to show you examples of couple of them. Okay. Now, at the moment where I'm making some money and where I'm investing, I'm going to show you in this video. And if you never see my video of I'm buying tokens like $25 each, this is my crypto portfolio. The link will be in the description. Go and watch. You can see all the hash transaction hash from where I'm buying, and how much I'm spending and when I'm buying. You're going to see in the crypto portfolio. I'm updating once I'm buying. You can see that I spent $1,000 and I'm in minus at the moment 2.29%. Okay, and that's okay. So today I was planning to buy some tokens. Which one? Well, I want to buy Polkadot, okay, because I'm in minus Polkadot. I'm in minus in Gala. Gala is 0.036. Okay, so we have nice dip. So I want to scoop like 5-10 tokens again. Dogechain, okay, Gala, maybe a little bit Aptos, Sandbox. You can see I'm minus 15%. That's good because I'm DCA into the going price when the price go down. Okay, so that's my strategy. However, I'm going to make a new video for what tokens I'm buying or I bought in the last few days. Probably will be tomorrow or next day. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not buying every day, but I'm buying once or twice a week, 1, 2, 5, 10 tokens. It depends how is the market reacting. I really like Algo, the Graph, Shiba. I think there's so many tokens out there. Okay, so let's see where I'm making at the moment some money. Okay, now we have 4 minutes from the video. Let's have 5 more minutes. Okay, so first thing first, I'm making money in Farm of Fortune. Okay, we all know Craig. I met them in London last week. Amazing team, amazing developer, and they have a lot of things cooking in their oven, okay, for this project. So this is paying 2% a day. It's been already live for 160 days, okay. I followed the pizza strategy, what they doing. I'm taking I'm 50% I'm reinvesting, and 50% I'm taking from my pocket, but the another 50% what I'm taking from my pocket is going to different altcoins, okay. So that's my strategy. Also, they have another project, what's called, give me a second, it's called, there we go, MOF. So this paying 1% a day on your USDC, okay. This is already 55 days. I think, again, my personal opinion, this have a long way to go. So I'm taking more money from here, where it's paying 2% a day on your BNB, and I'm going to put here, okay. So that's what I'm doing. I'm spreading my risk, okay. Now, next thing, ARK DeFi. ARK DeFi is being an absolute, this is ROI'd up, okay. You're getting 1% up to 2% a day, okay, and you're forced to compound and to take profits. And this is also amazing project, okay. So far is doing great. What next? What's next now hot? Prosperity Gem PGV, okay. We all know PGV.
Good evening, everyone. So I'm going to be going through a bunch of things today, and I want to start with a quick little heart,
because I'm waiting my refund to come back to me by, they say, by 7th of March. Now they have some they selling some kind of software. So me and one of my mates, we're going to buy the software. It's $100 a month. We're going to try if it's working or not. We're going to give a go for a month, okay. Now if he give me the money back, and probably once he give all the money back, I'm going to reinvest in his project, okay, little bit money, okay. That's how I'm doing, okay. If he give all the money back first, I'm going just to wait till the dust settle down. So at the moment, I'm not putting any money till I don't get my refunds. However, so far, so many people got the refunds back, so I think there are almost 1,000 wallets, as they say here. Okay, so next one. Okay, so next one, this is very interesting. Now, where I'm investing. So this is for the future passive platforms. Sorry, so I forget. RoboForex. Okay, so this guy, David, who is the main, who is the trader, is copy trading. I did live windrow 2 days ago, and it's work. Yesterday, actually today, one of the guy in the Telegram, he says he windrow in USDT, in crypto. But I guess every country is different. Where I'm here, I use advanced cash, and I withdraw to my bank account, and it's worked. Okay, so this guy is making 1% a day. Last week he made 7% a day. Go and watch one of my video. I did video 2 days ago for this one, for RoboForex. This is the best copy trader out there. Again, only risk capital, guys. Okay, RoboForex, this company is 12 years old. It's my first time to use them. So far it's doing great. Now, how long is going to last and how it's going to be, nobody knows. It's trading, okay. They can always do some losses, and that's expected, that's normal. However, this guy he is on there. He is making 1% a day, and it's already have 1500% APR. Okay, and you can see here the days. There are 486 trading days. History of 486 trading days. So I put some money here. I want to top up a little bit more. I'm just waiting my money from PGV. If he send me the money from PGV, I'll top up a little bit more, and I'll just leave it. Comes once a month and just take profits, or every week or every 2 weeks. You know, it depends how I'm going to decide what strategy to play. Now, let's go to the next one. So the next one is, what I really like is IX Global. Okay, so IX Global. So IX Global, it's an amazing company. Okay, so you can see here, I have, well, actually, this is my wife account, have two BEF. Basically, this company, I think, is very realistic. Okay, now do your research. They are getting real assets in the world. So they work with oil. They basically have real oil, not natural gas, gold, and all that things, and all that, like grow, like agriculture, and basically they producing. So you get a license here, you mint the tokens. Okay, once they produce here, you can go to the news. Once they produce some what's called, let's see here, in natural gas. When they took the profits, they buy the tokens and they burn. You can see they burn over 5.5 million bucks of natural license, natural gas. Okay, then also aluminum, they burn 8.7 million. Okay, that's crazy. And the last notice is BEF license for this is for beer. Okay, you can go and see their first beer production, wherever distribution, whatever they're doing there, and from the profit, okay, they're going to buy the tokens are going to burn, so they're going to put down the supply. You can see here that almost all the licenses are sold. That is crazy, guys. Okay, that is crazy. So this for me is for a long hold. So what I'm going to do now, the profits what my wife made here from the BEF tokens is, where was 800 bucks. Where is that? There we go, $875, and I'm going to take that money and I'm going to buy new license today. So that's my plan. Okay, I'm compounding the profits. Now next one, what I really like is this bad boy. Okay, Delicium. So I think Delicium it's a bad ass project. Okay, this is, I think, I'm very hyped about this one, but that's me personally. So I got a license, okay, and it's a game, metaverse, AAA game. They have AI also. It's just crazy. So much good information for this one. I'm going to do new full update video very soon, because they also have the AI powered meta being in Delicium, okay, and her name was, I forget her name, not Eve, but I forget her name. What is the AI is sick. Lucy, that's her name. All right, Lucy was, all right, so that's sick. You can use Lucy if you already have DMA or license, if you or node. Okay, DMA, it's a node. If you want to buy the node, use my code, it will be in the description. Okay, so let's see how much tokens I'm making. There we go. Let me just see. So here you can see I already made 1,150 tokens. Okay, there we go. Let me see how much I'm making. You can see here I'm making now. I was making 104 tokens, then 103, 102, 98, 96. Now I'm making 86.8 tokens every single day. Why? Because more people buying the node. Okay, you don't need anything specific to run this node, but so this one here is my investment. Okay, I'm not going to make money now. The token is not even live yet. However, I'm hoping and I'm thinking for the next year. Okay, I'm going to hold this one for a year at least. If the price go up, more things they come and developing to them, I believe the token price can go up. So this can be the next gala. That's according to me. Again, this is at the moment where I'm making some money. Also, there are a couple of other bots what I'm testing at the moment, so maybe I'll do some follow-up video for them in 1 or 2 weeks. I just want to see how the thing's going to go, because the market been very rough and I want to see how they're going to cope in this market situation. Again, you cannot always win the trades, but at least the point is to be on the positive side. And back to the beginning. So this is how I'm making money, and I'm using my money to buy some tokens and also to compound into different projects. Every day I have offers to promote different projects and I'm declining, because it's not the point just to promote some shitty project and then get myself burned and everybody else get burned. Okay, that's not the point. My point is to find more decent projects, hopefully to last for a long time. How long? Nobody knows. This is crypto and everything is risky. Again, let me know in the comment section what other project you are making any money, and if you want me to look into any, or if you're buying any tokens, what you buying so far. Again, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking. Please watch the video from yesterday. For more you give, more you receive. It's mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Till the next one, don't forget, I do I and you do you. Goodbye.